For 17 years, actually before doing that, I worked in the manufacturing sector, engineering plastic, which is used for the automotive components. So I believe I am the expert for the automotive industry. And I also provided the lecture, the technology seminar in Hyundai Motors before those people with doctor's degrees and master's degrees. Can I say I am the expert in technology? Of course, I didn't study the technology at school. Germany, Japan, the US, they are all developed countries. And I went there when I visited those countries to learn their advanced technology. For example, Krupp Caltex, a German company, they have machines. And Japan, Nippon, there is also a Japanese company building and manufacturing machines and American standard as well. I didn't really understand machines. Do you know how I studied machines? For example, I visit the German company and I would say the Japanese company, they say your machines have this and that problems. And then that's when they would say, no, the JSW, the Japanese machines have all those bad things and we have our advantages. So that's how I studied machines. And actually, all those machines are also produced in Korea, but that's 30 to 40 years ago. So there was no Korean company who can produce those machines. Only simple plastics were produced here in Korea. Those engineering plastic was something that we could not produce by ourselves. So GE has the plastic business team, and a German company BASF ICI. Those companies have the plastic. So I did the performance test and I did my research, and based on those knowledge, I introduced new technology to the automotive industry. Can you feel that I did a lot of research and a lot of work in the automotive industry, right?
So I could not plan very well for the retirement plans. So I had to think about what I should do from now on, maybe advanced technologies, logistics, because the third industry was logistics. But I've been in manufacturing for my entire career, so I could not see my future with them. So it was all blank and dark in front of me. 17 years at engineering school. I studied at night school and I did all the techniques and I learned every technique. Where I started from scratch when it comes to engineering, but I was not sure if other people will buy my product.